Hi everyone, I'm Alan and welcome back to Healthy Kitchen 101. Continuing our electric kettle series, today we're going to be unboxing the Elite Gourmet Glass Electric Kettle. Now, let's get to it. We got this one for $22.49 on Amazon. Let's take a look at the packaging. Okay, quite eye-catching. Okay, so you can see here some basic information about this model. Automatic shut-off, one-touch pop-up, one-touch switch, cool touch handle, cordless base, cordless kettle, blue LED. Okay, now let's open it up. Okay, so this one isn't taped together, so kind of worried about that. The first thing I see, user manual, foam pad, the base, pretty good design, and our kettle, and foam pads below. Now let's take a closer look. It's off. Okay, so the base is plastic, not too light, not too heavy. It also has a cord storage below. The cord is around 20 inches long, which is a little bit short for my liking, but should be enough for household use. The plug is 3-pronged, which should be a little bit safer than 2-pronged. Now, let's take a look at the kettle. First thing I notice, the handle feels pretty good in the hand. The water marking is quite clear. Glass body. The bottom is plastic, but the base is stainless steel. So you can see here that it has 2 buttons on the handle. One is for the lid, and this is the switch. Okay, so the lid is one-touch pop-up. You can see that there's a mesh filter built in to the carafe here. Now, let's try assembling the kettle on the base. This doesn't seem very sturdy, but at least it turns smoothly. Okay, now let's pour in some water and try boiling it. Okay, so since these 2 buttons are close to one another, you may mistake one for another. So it's a bit of a weird design. Also, the lid doesn't pop all the way up, so you might have to pay attention to that. Okay, putting in the water. Okay, so the opening isn't very large. It's not the largest I've seen, but it's still enough to get the water in. Okay, you can see the ring of blue LED is illuminated, so it should be quite easy to see in the dark. Now we're waiting for the water to boil. Let's take a look at the user manual, shall we? Okay, I see here some safeguards, how to use, cleaning and maintenance, warranty. Yeah, nothing too elaborate. Okay, so it took quite a while to reach a rolling simmer. So let's see when will it reach a rolling boil and when will it shut off. It's reached a rolling boil. Let's see how long will it keep boiling before it shuts off. Okay, so not too long. Okay, so you can see that the lid is tightly sealed. The vapor isn't coming out from around the edges, only from the spout. Let's open it up. Okay, so the first boil, I'm noticing some light plastic smell, so it can be bad. Anyway, if you're using this at home, I would recommend you just wash it, clean it, and then dump away the first boil, just to be safe. Now, let's try pouring from this kettle. Okay, the angle is good. The stream of water is quite fast but steady. Pretty good. There you have it, the unboxing of the Elite Gourmet Glass Electric Kettle. First impression, questionable designs and slow boiling time. We're gonna have to end the video here, but we will dive into the design, usability, and most importantly, performance in our future in-depth review video. So stay tuned and subscribe to our channel to make sure you don't miss the video when it comes out. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye!